In this video, I'll show you how to make music very simple with Suno. Go to the create option on the left side and you'll see here that there is a style of music that you're going to want to select. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop down the styles and I'm going to go to ChatGPT to give me some ideas as to what kind of song I want. So say I like, write me a Suno prompt that will generate an exciting Hans Zimmer style song for a horror movie. So let's give that a try, and it's going to generate a song for me given this this prompt. So it's kind of long right here. Generate an orchestral soundtrack inspired by Hans Zimmer, perfect for a horror movie. The track should begin with a slow, haunting build-up, utilizing deep strings, subtle piano, and atmospheric sound design. So I'm going to copy all of this in, and let's see what sort of music is generated. So let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to paste that entire thing over here and hit create. You'll see on the right side, it's going to create 2 new soundtracks with the prompt that I wanted to use, and then give it a second or two. Once it generates, it also creates a picture that highlights sort of what the soundtrack is about. And while this loads, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe if this is helping you out. Just to let you know, I'm going to be also showing you how to create a song with lyrics as well, just based off whatever lyrics you want to make. So we can also use ChatGPT for that, or you can just create it yourself. It's up to you if you have your own specific lines that you want to use. But let's listen to the 2 sounds that we were given. And that was the first soundtrack. If you listen to it, that sounded very, I'd say, cinematic. And there are 2 styles. There are 2 songs that are generated. So let's listen to the second one. And then the beauty of it all is that you can choose the best one that you think you like the most personally. So let's listen to this one. Maybe it's better, maybe it's worse, but we'll see. All right, and that one also sounded like it had a slow burn to it. So depending on what you want to use this audio for, it depends what you want. So you have lots of other options. If you didn't like it, you can go ahead and regenerate it. You can tweak the prompt a bit. You can even ask ChatGPT to trim some stuff out. So say if you don't want pianos, you can have them remove that piano from it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to generate a song. Write me a limerick about a YouTube channel named Robotic Capybara and his videos very helpful, by the way, for tech support. So now it's going to create me a limerick, and then now I'm going name Rob. I don't know why they put like that, but it's okay. Well, we'll see what they do. So the lyrics, I put in some lyrics here. You can also select this, which will enhance the audio. It's going to read through it and then change it up in a way that it sounds better. So let's edit the lyrics, enhance the lyrics, make it sound exciting and fulfilling. And then style, what I want to do, I want to make like let's make a country sound. Let's make country music. So I'm going to do country music, upbeat and exciting. That's what, hit create, and let's see what we get. There once was a capybara named Rob. Alright. I wonder how long it's going to be. I'm not sure if they're going to add more lyrics onto it, but you can see it also generated an image. You can see the capybara here, another capybara. So when we hit play, let's see the country music about with the lyrics that we selected.
There once was a capybara named Rob, whose tech tips turned challenges into awe. With a click and a spark, he'd light up the dark, transforming tech troubles into triumphs galore.
Alright, that was pretty exciting. It sounded very much like country and it sounded very exciting. So let's give it another try. Let's see what the other audio sounds like. So let's give it a play.
There once was a capybara named Rob, whose tech tips turned challenges into awe. With a click and a spark, he'd light up the dark, transforming tech troubles into triumphs galore.
Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. That's how you make the music. One more thing I want to show you is that you can actually create them in different languages too. So they don't just sing English, but you can do it, make it Korean instead. And it's going to actually sing it in Korean, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to copy and paste that. Let's go and paste it. This time, let's go through some advanced options really fast. I'll select female. Lyric mode, let's do it. Suno writes new lyrics for every day. Nah, that's fine. Well, we'll keep it to audio. Let's make it kind of weird. Experimental. Oh, let's make it chaos. Chaos sounds fun. And the style influence it. We want it very. Let's put it pretty strong, because we do want really upbeat country music, very exciting. Lots of harmonica. So now you can see with the advanced options what kind of things we can do. So let's hit create, and then we can listen to it. So technically, it should be a country music in Korean with a female singer. Let's give it a try. Let's listen to the first one. That sounds pretty exciting, and it sounded pretty good too. I honestly prefer that versus the first two that we created. But let's give it a try on the last one, and let's see how that goes. And that one was actually even crazier with the harmonicas, with the solo on the piano. So that's really cool because I didn't even ask for that, but it gave it a very country styled solo. And that's really cool. I really like that. So that's basically how you can make some music with different lyrics, different styles, and simply if you like that video, if you like the audio, all you have to do is select the three drop down menu, and you can download it right here as an MP3, so you can use it for whatever you want, and it's really that simple. So one more thing I really wanted to show you guys about this is that if you have a song that you really like, we can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt that will generate a similar type of song onto that. So for example, let's say Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Everybody knows that song. So I'm going to ask it, I want to create a song similar to Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Give me a perfect prompt in Suno that will do so. Okay, and then I'm not going to go through everything here, but the first sentence right here, creating a melancholic alt song with a rock with a similar vibe to Boulevard of Broken Dreams. And let's give it a try. Actually, I wanted to see if it's going to go through. So let's put the style here. I'm going to remove the lyrics because we don't want any lyrics this time. Let's hit create. Oh, it actually does create it. But I do know that if you name a specific artist, or depending on how you prompt it, it might not go through if you mention an artist name. So I guess if you say the style is Post Malone, for example, they don't want to actually generate a song because of they don't want the possibility of sounding like Post Malone voice-wise. But if you say create a song similar to the vibe of another song, then it should be okay. So let's give it a play and let's hear what this song sounds like. So Boulevard of Broken Dreams, similar song. Let's give it a try. And actually, that sounds pretty good in terms of the audio. So what I actually want to do now is I wanted to generate some lyrics so that we can have some singing onto it. So I generated a couple lyrics using the same prompt. So I said make some lyrics with some syllables related to Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So it gave me a couple of lyrics up to the chorus. So I copied that in and I pasted it here and I generated the audio. So let's give it a listen.
Chasing a dream that's out of sight, and the road is long, but I'll carry on, even when the world feels like it's gone. I need a way to find my place, to break free from this endless chase. In the silence I hear my call, I'll stand tall, I'll face it all. I walk alone, but I'm not afraid. The path I choose is where I'll stay.
And just like that, that is how you generate multiple different songs. I showed you in this video how to do multiple different types of songs, different languages, different styles, and using the advanced options as well. So if you find that helpful, don't forget to give it a quick like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything that you want me to cover. and I'll do it. Also, if there's anything that you want me to cover in depth, just let me know, and I'll spend more time making a single video based off that. But yeah, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.